How to turn off Snapchat story notifications. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off Snapchat story notifications on your Snapchat app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So I will show you two ways to turn off Snapchat story notifications. So to turn off notification through first method, open your Snapchat app. Then tap on your profile in the top left corner here. Then here scroll down. And here tap on my friends. Now press and hold the name of the friend of which you want to turn off Snapchat story notification. And then here you will see story settings. Tap on it. Then here you have to turn off story notifications. So if it's turned on, turn it off, and that friend's story notification will be turned off. Now to turn off story notifications to second method, press and hold your Snapchat icon, then tap on this eye icon, and then here tap on notification. And you have to turn off this notification. You have to turn off all the notifications because there is no option to turn only story notifications of your Snapchat. So you have to turn this off. So to turn it off, tap on it here, and then all the notifications from Snapchat will be turned off. And so this is how you can turn off Snapchat story notifications. Thanks for watching.